Hi guys, today I have this set of 2 stackable earring holder trays. These are great to organize your earrings. I'm going to show you how I've organized mine on there. So there are 2 here, and this one has 3 shelves and this one has 4. So for the 3 shelf one, this one has a nice beveled design and it holds all the dangles down, and this is ideal for your longer dangle earrings, as you can see there. So they all hang down great. So the way that I put mine in here, as you can see, they're not actually in the slots. These you can't get under there, so you have to stick those in the slots. But these I put the longer ones, and I literally just hang them on the rim, and they stay put really nice. As you can see, it's nice and flat on the top. And then for the other one here, this is 4-tier, and this is ideal for like your shorter dangles, your studs, but also look, you can easily display your nice thin chains with just a little bedazzlement at the bottom. And look, the chains stay neatly in the back, and so when you're getting ready, you can just see all your options. But what I want to point out here is that for the shorter ones, I can actually tuck the hooks in the slots a little bit easier. And also for your studs, look at this. I've got the back on the stud, and so I don't have to have all my backs just separate. I just put the back on there, and then I just slip it right in there. So I love that. As opposed to the other earring organizers I've tried, I don't have to take the back off to get it off of there and then put it on and then put the back on. So I saved the motion of doing that once. So I love that. These are very convenient. You see all your options, and you can either stack them and keep them out stacked, or on your vanity or wherever you get ready in the morning, you can leave them out right beside each other. They fit perfect right like that. See all your options. Or you can put them in your drawer, and they fit in there very nicely. Look at that. So if you have them in there, you can just keep them out of eyesight, but they are cute and ready to be used. You can tuck them away or you can bring them out, but I just really love the design of these, and I think that they are so helpful, so well made to suit all of your accessory needs. So yeah.